Welcome to Cultivating with a Soil King. We'll call this one 102. Why 102? Because we are going to start with our fall vegetables. What do you do? This is the time of year right now for you to get busy in your victory garden, in your raised beds, or wherever you're at, planting your fall veggies. How do we do that, you might add? First, if you started with bigrootz soil, this is how we do it in our raised beds. Pull out all your luscious leftover plants from the season, get down deep, turn your soil over. You're gonna wanna turn the soil over, good. If you have any beautiful sunflowers, you know, you always leave those. But you want to mix everything up. The best thing about bigrootz soil or any soil medium like it is that for an annual plant, it's nice and soft, so it allows the oxygen. You have to have three major elements in a good cultivation with annuals, and that's oxygen, food source, and water. So it's very important to have the oxygen. When it compacts, you have compacted soil, your plants just don't grow. So with that being said, this is how I do it. You know, we're revamping our beds this year right now. So we don't want to replace the soil. That's why I don't use bottle nutrients and salty products, because then we just ruined all the biology because it turned to sodium, destroyed it, and you got to start completely over. No, we want to keep the soil going every year, better and better and better and better, adding more value, more biology, more biology. How do we do that? We start right here. Mr. B's Green Trees, this is 744, organic CDFA certified, OMI. So what I like to do, easiest way to do this is to put it in a bucket. Try to go downwind, always a good idea, right? Don't need that much. I just like to mix it in a bucket, and I love to use some worm castings or something with a little bit of moisture content in it. So this right here is my favorite, which is Terra Visco vermicompost, which is worm castings on steroids. All tested just like everything else we do. You know, CDFA has all the certifications, and the biology kick in here is just magnificent. So I mix that in there just to get the dust down. This is all I'm doing in this part of it. It's adding a little layer of moisture to that, which keeps the dust down. Then when I spread this out, it's not blowing everywhere. You know, you're getting your mineral content and all your vitamins and minerals and everything, all the good wholesome stuff that's in here. I like to really do it like a heavy salt and pepper of a steak on a barbecue. Doesn't really need to be that much. And then I always like to add bigrootz soil. 20% is the key, so up to 20% in new soil. That gives it the biology, it gives everything, it refreshes everything, gives it a nice start. So I'll just empty a few bags in here. In here, that should be enough right there. See how soft that is? I mean, that's the beauty of using a good soil medium, one that you can trust as well. Your plants are going to love that too. So think of you in a root, like today we're going to grow Brussels sprouts. That Brussels sprout's going to grow big, but those roots, they got to move. Like, that's movable material right there. That's heaven for an annual plant. So that's how you prep for your fall vegetables and getting ready for your fall planting. Thank you for coming in and watching another episode of the Victory Garden at the Soil King. Stay tuned. You'll see us planting the garden next.